Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and wood decor ideas for a lasting home decor impression. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. And wood has long been revered as a primary material for furniture, a tradition that transcends cultures and epochs. Its enduring popularity can be attributed to a blend of aesthetic appeal, functional versatility, and practical durability, making wood an ideal choice for creating lasting impressions in home decor. The warmth and beauty of wood offer an intimate connection to nature, inviting the outdoors into the living space while providing a unique character to each piece. This relationship between wood and furniture is not merely a matter of style. It also encompasses sustainability, craftsmanship, and the emotional resonance that wood can evoke. One of the primary advantages of wood as a furniture material is its remarkable versatility. From softwoods like pine and cedar to hardwoods such as oak and mahogany, the range of species allows for an extensive palette of aesthetics. The different grains, colors, and textures that various types of wood offer enable designers and homeowners to find unique pieces that resonate with their personal style. This vast selection allows wood to fit seamlessly into diverse interior design schemes, whether rustic, contemporary, or mid-century modern. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond aesthetics, the inherent properties of wood contribute to its adaptability. Softwoods tend to be lighter and easier to work with, making them ideal for contemporary designs, while the sturdiness of hardwoods often lends itself perfectly to traditional styles. The tactile qualities of wood resonate deeply with our senses, creating a physical and emotional connection to the furniture we inhabit and interact with daily. The smoothness of polished surfaces and the warmth of untreated wood evoke feelings of comfort and security, enhancing the overall ambiance of a living space. This sensory experience is often absent in synthetic materials, which can feel cold and uninviting. Moreover, the natural variations in texture and color found in wood contribute to a sense of individuality. Each piece of wooden furniture carries the fingerprints of the tree from which it was sourced, making it a one-of-a-kind work of art. By choosing wood, homeowners are not just selecting a material for furnishing, they are opting for a story, a history steeped in nature. Craftsmanship plays a pivotal role in the appeal of wooden furniture, showcasing the skill and dedication of artisans who transform raw materials into functional art. The process of selecting the right wood, understanding its grain, and shaping it into beautiful forms is a labor of love. Master craftsmen often imbue their pieces with a level of detail and individuality that factory-manufactured items simply cannot replicate. The beauty of artisanal wooden furniture lies not only in its appearance, but also in the craftsmanship that has gone into creating it. This connection to skilled artisanship elevates wooden furniture to a status of heritage, reinforcing its significance in home decor. As society becomes increasingly aware of environmental concerns and sustainability, the choice of wood as a furniture material takes on greater meaning. Sourced responsibly, wood can be an eco-friendly option compared to plastic or metal alternatives, which can contribute to pollution and resource depletion. Many timber companies are adopting sustainable forestry practices, ensuring that new trees are planted to replace those that are harvested. This cyclical approach to sourcing wood not only reduces the environmental footprint, but also encourages the preservation of natural habitats. Furthermore, wood is a biodegradable material, breaking down naturally when disposed of, which contributes to its appeal as a sustainable furnishing option. In the realm of emotional resonance, wood carries significant weight. The memories tied to wooden furniture often reflect sentimental moments, family gatherings around a dining table, stories shared on a comfortable wooden bench, or a child's laughter resonating through the living room as they play on a beautiful wooden floor. These emotional connections enhance the significance of each piece and its role in fostering a sense of home. Unlike mass-produced items, which can feel generic and impersonal, wooden furniture often surfaces stories and memories that enhance its value in everyday life. The timelessness of wood and its ability to age gracefully allows pieces to evolve alongside families, witnessing milestones and transformations along the way. Durability is another factor that solidifies wood as a premier furniture material. Quality hardwoods can withstand the wear and tear of daily life, developing a patina over time that adds character rather than detracts from it. This longevity makes wooden furniture a wise investment. Rather than needing replacement every few years, a well-crafted wooden piece can endure for generations. Heirloom quality wooden furniture often becomes a cherished part of family history, passed down through generations and retaining value as it ages. The inherent strength and resilience of wood provide a functional advantage, allowing for the creation of sturdy pieces that can serve multiple purposes, be it a coffee table, a crafting station, or a place to gather with loved ones. Moreover, the ecological footprint associated with wooden furniture extends beyond its sourcing and production. The production process of wooden furniture generally requires less energy compared to synthetic materials, which often involve complex procedures for production, such as chemical processes for fabrication. The charm of wooden furniture lies not only in its aesthetics, but also in its efficiency. As consumers become more discerning about their choices, factors such as energy consumption during production and the environmental impact of materials during their life cycle will play a significant role in shaping future trends. Integrating wood into home decor involves understanding its interaction with other materials within the space. The natural tones of wood provide an ideal backdrop for highlighting textiles, metals, and even glass, creating a well-rounded aesthetic that feels both cohesive and dynamic. Wood's ability to complement and contrast with various materials opens up a myriad of design possibilities. For instance, pairing richly grained wooden furniture with sleek metallic accents evokes a sophisticated modern elegance. Conversely, combining rustic wooden pieces with colorful textiles conjures feelings of warmth and coziness. The adaptability of wood extends to its finishing options. It can be stained to enhance its natural beauty, painted for a pop of color, or left unfinished to highlight its inherent qualities. This versatility allows homeowners to maintain a continually evolving aesthetic without needing to invest in new furniture. Over time, the same piece can be revitalized through a change in stain or finish, ensuring its longevity and continued relevance in the home. Such characteristics of wood resonate strongly with those looking to invest not only in furniture, but in lifelong pieces that sustain their appeal. In recent years, there's been a resurgence in the appreciation for vintage and reclaimed wood in furniture design. Reclaimed wood carries a sense of history and nostalgia, often sourced from old barns, factories, or other buildings whose stories are interwoven with the material itself. Integrating reclaimed wood furniture into a contemporary home decor scheme creates a beautiful juxtaposition where modern design meets historical richness. By choosing reclaimed materials, homeowners contribute to environmental sustainability while adding character and complexity to their spaces. As trends shift, the interpretation of wood in design continues to evolve. Minimalist designs celebrate the natural beauty of wood, showcasing its grain and texture rather than obscuring it with overwhelming ornamentation. This trend emphasizes the simplicity of form and function, allowing the inherent qualities of the wood to speak for themselves. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked creative wood furniture and wood decor ideas for a lasting home decor impression. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them?
Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.